Luxury majesty. It's all about luxury. Sneakerheads really go the extra mile to buy the shoes they love. Whether it's lining up at the store hours before go time or trying to outbid each other on the internet, it seems that people's love for shoes allow them to conquer just about any obstacle. That is, except when it comes to paying too much money. Shoe brands have a penchant for releasing limited edition pairs of sneakers every so often. Because of their rarity, they create a high demand among people across all generations. This results in auctions and resales that put sneaker prices at a much higher price point. Think you've seen it all? If you are an avid collector, you might just want to keep your eye peeled for this wonderful selection. In this video you are going to know about 10 of the most expensive sneakers ever sold. Before jumping into the video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. Number 10. Air Jordan 2 V. Price: $31,000. The red, white, and black Air Jordan 2 V is without a doubt one of the world's most recognizable designs and is regarded as one of the most expensive shoes in the resale market. This pair, created by Director of Research and Development Bruce Kilgore. This style made of faux lizard skin first appeared between 1986 and 1987. Against a white upper body, a strong red accent is present. This antique sneaker sold for $31,000 in 2014 on eBay. Number 9. Air Jordan 11 Retro Jeter. Price: $40,000. One of the most popular and well-liked players for the New York Yankees is believed to be Derek Jeter. Therefore, it makes perfect sense that Nike and Jeter collaborated on a product to honor his 2017 retirement from professional baseball. The Air Jordan 11 Retro Jeter, which reportedly cost $40,000 on GOAT.com, was created through a partnership between Nike and Jeter. Each heel has Jeter's number 2 embroidered on it, and the entire design is covered in a luxurious, stylish navy suede. The price is pretty high because there are only 5 pairs in the entire world. Number 8. Nike Mag Sneaker. Price: $92,100. For most people, Back to the Future II was a key part of their younger years. It displayed cutting-edge technology and creative works. One of these is the self-lacing shoe of the future, the Nike Mag Sneaker. The original shoe, which was created especially for the movie, has now been put up for sale for $92,100 after nearly 30 years. The owner would undoubtedly make Marty McFly pleased, even though the pair isn't exactly in the best shape. Number 7. Nike Air Yeezy 2. Price: $93,000. Before Kanye West made the switch to Adidas, the rapper first partnered with Nike. He even named his collections with the brand Yeezy. This includes his sought-after Nike Air Yeezy 2. Retailing at $93,000, the fantasy sneaker featured a jet black body, neon green sole, and neon orange upper lip. If you know Ye and his fascination, then you know this is out of this world. This pair is made from hand-peeled anaconda his leather and has a reptilian spine on the back. Number 6. Air Jordan Weltvo V. Price: $100,000. During a Toronto Raptors game in 2014, Drake was the star of the show. From introducing the players and performing during the halftime, his influence knows no bounds. Even fans were treated as he gave away some of his OVO Air Jordan X sneakers. One lucky lady fan managed to snag a pair, which were apparently too small for the fan to wear. However, the lucky receiver definitely made up for it by selling the shoes on eBay. From a starting price of $300, the seller closed it at $100,000. Number 5. Michael Jordan Flu Game 12s. Price: $104,000. As a collaboration with one of the greatest basketball players of all time, it comes as no surprise that this Flu Game creation went up to more than $100,000. The red and black shoe was also signed by Jordan himself. The item was sold at Preston Truman's auction, where the starting offer was $5,000. The final price seems more than fair after 15 bids, especially for such highly treasured shoes. Number 4. Boost Chemi 100mm Diamond. Price: $132,000. They say Buscemi is to shoes and sneakers what Hermes is to bags, a godsend. And rightly so, because Buscemi elevated shoe wearing to a whole new level. Using well-made products and materials, the fashion house boasts of a one-of-a-kind creation that mirrors the luxury that comes in the much-coveted Hermes bags. Think 18-karat gold-plated hardware, a decorative lock-a-la Birkin, and diamonds sitting atop a pristine white 100mm sneaker. The pair supposedly went to a private client. Number 3. Michael Jordan Fast Break Converse. Price: $190,373. Converse, or Chucks as many people fondly call them, are known for their relaxed vibe. Despite their popularity on the market, it seems that Michael Jordan's very own pair was even more popular, even though it's not technically from his own line or collection. The great MJ wore these fast break Converse in the 1984 Olympics. A then ball boy snagged this pair. Rumor has it that these were the last pair of sneakers Jordan wore as a newbie. The rich history and the game-worn soles may just be the reason for its hefty price tag. Number 2. Nike Waffle Shoe. Price: $475,500. According to the Guinness World Records, the 1972 Nike Waffle Racing Flats, also known as the Nike Moon Shoe, are the most expensive pair of sneakers to be auctioned in history. Canadian collector and businessman Miles Nadal bought the shoes, together with other impressive pairs. With only limited quantities produced in 1972, the trainers are certainly a collector's delight. The design was made by Bill Bowerman, then Oregon University track coach and co-founder of Nike. When used on the ground, the soles left marks that work into the footprints left by an astronaut on the moon. Number 1. Solid Gold OVOX Air Jordan. Price: $2 million. Taking the top place are the Solid Gold OVOX Air Jordan sneakers, specifically commissioned by Drake himself. Made from 24-karat solid gold, these babies definitely warrant a huge price. Though the pair is more of an art piece than for everyday use, it doesn't take away the fact that the singer-rapper spent some dough on this. The artist responsible for bringing these to life is Matthew Senna. Thank you for watching this video.